Hi, I'm Matthias, and today I'll show you how to get Google Ads data connected to ChatGPT and how to get some insights or prompt ChatGPT for your Google Ads data. It's a 3 steps process. Step number 1 is the connection of your Google Ads account. Step number 2 is the installation of a plugin within ChatGPT for it to load the data. Step number 3 is to prompt ChatGPT and get your data. Let's get started. Step number 1, you head to onboard.windsor.ai, and in here on the left hand side you see Google Ads. You click on it, then you click on sign in with Google, and once this is done you should see your ad accounts appearing in the table below. Select the ad account or ad accounts you want to connect, go to preview and destination, and now some of your ad data should appear here. And once the ad data appears, it's time to go to ChatGPT. In here, head to your settings page, apps and connectors, advanced settings, turn on the developer mode, click back, then a create button appears here. Click it, name the tool Windsor.ai, and below in the MCP server URL, type mcp.windsor.ai. Take this box here, click create. Now we see that this MCP server, as it's called, is connected, and we can start prompting our Google Ads account inside ChatGPT. Now here you click plus, more, Windsor.ai to make sure that the data can be prompted from your Google Ads account. Now you can start writing your own prompt, or you can refer to our prompt library where we have a set of prompts. I'm just going to use one of them over here, copy it over, and now I have to specify the date range. I want 30 days. And now it asks for the account ID. I can find that here, account ID. And this one is, paste that in. And now the analysis starts. It takes a while to retrieve the data. We allow access. Once again, now we allow it to retrieve data from the Google Ads account. And now here is the report, the recommendations. It highlights what is working well. how to restructure the account. And the quick summary. Now, this is the answer to this prompt. Of course, there are many other prompts you can run. There is 300 more connectors you can connect. So you can tell ChatGPT to blend data between, for example, your CRM system and your ad platforms. To get started, you can always use the prompt library or start the prompt from scratch. Thanks very much for watching and enjoy working with our connectors.